Students, in this video we are going to discuss some numericals. Now go for numerical. Each side of a cube is measured. Each side of a cube is measured to be 7.203 meters. Now what are the total surface area total surface area and the volume of the cube to appropriate significant figures. Once again, I am repeating the question, my dear students. Please observe carefully. Each side of a cube is measured to be 7.203 meters. What are the total surface area and the volume of the cube to appropriate significant figure? That means once we can find the answer, its significance should be approximately equal to the 7.203. So what is the significance of 7.203? 4. That means once we can find the volume, after that surface area, it has some value. Volume of the cube also some value. But the both values should be significance 4 only, because its measured length should be 7.203 means its significance is 4. So that its answer should be 4. Now go for the solution. The number of significant, I am writing that point. Whatever I told, I am writing here. The number of significant figure. The number of significant figure in the measured length. The measured length is 4. Once again I am repeating this point. The number of significant figure in the measured length is 4. So the measured length is how much given? 7.203 203. Its significance is 4. Okay. Now go for next point. The calculated area. The calculated area and and the volume should therefore should therefore be rounded off rounded off to 4 significant figure. Significant figure. Once again, I am repeating this point, my dear students. The number of significant figure in the measured length is 4. The calculated area or volume should therefore be rounded off to 4. That means even though you are getting maximum significance, we have to round it off to 4 significant figure. Now go for the proper answer. Now point A. Surface area of the cube surface area of the cube is equal to 6L square formula. Now take this is a cube. This is a cube. Now the length already given, that is 7.203. Now its surface area. What is the formula? 6L square. Okay. Therefore surface area is equal to 6 into what is L? 7.203 whole square. So how much we will get? We will get 311.29924 meter square. My dear students, please observe carefully. Here the significance is 4. Here what is the significance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here the significance is 9. But we have to make it as significance 4. Because here length significance is 4. Therefore, we have to rewrite as 311.2. So take one towards left because it is more than 9, more than 5. So 3 meter square. So its significance is 4. Like that we have to solve the numerical. Now go for the point number B. Now we are discussing point number 3. Point number B. Volume of cube. Now tell me, what is the volume of the cube? That is equal to L cube. Now take, this is a cube. it is length L. What is the length L? L is equal 7.203 C3 meters. Now volume is equal, what is the volume? Volume is equal L cube. So what is L? 7.203 whole cube. Now tell me how much we will get? We will get 373.71475 meter cube. Now please observe carefully. Here its significance is 4. But here the significance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that we have to convert into significance as 4. So how we have to write? 373.7 meter cube. Okay, now tell me what is significance? It has significance 4 because the length significance is also 4. Like that we have to solve the any type of the numerical. However, I hope you understood this video. Now we are going to discuss another numerical on the significance. Now go for another numerical. Numerical number 2. Numerical number 2. 5.74 grams of a substance occupies occupies 1.2 centimeter cube full stop. Express its density by keeping the significant figures in view. Once again, I am repeating the question, my dear students. 5.74 grams of a substance occupies 1.2 centimeter cube. Express its density by keeping the significance figure in view. My dear students, please observe carefully. Here the mass 5 point, first I can write given. What the examiner given? Mass, that is called small m, that is called how much? 5.74 grams. Now tell me what is the significance? The significance is 3. Now take its a volume that is called 1.2 centimeter cube. Now tell me what is the significance? The significance is 2. Please observe carefully, my dear students. Here the significance is 3. Here the significance is 2. So which one has the least significance? This one. So that the resultant answer, in the answer also, whatever it may be the significance of the answer, we have to take the significance 2 only. That is the condition. Now go for the solution. Before that, I would like to explain whatever I told just for you. There are 3 significant there are three significant figure. There are three significant figure in the measured in the measured in the measured mass in the measured mass, whereas there are only two there are only two significant figure there are only two significant figures in the volume Once again I am repeating the point, my dear students. There are three significant figures in the measured mass, whereas there are only two significant figures in the measured volume. Now come to the point. Hence the density should be significant figure. Once again I am repeating, hence the density should be significant figure, that is 2. We have to remember that point because the volume has a significant figure 2. Therefore density here therefore density is equal to mass by volume. Density is equal to mass by volume. Therefore density D is equal to m by v, small m by v, that is equal to 5.74 whole by 1.2. Therefore the density D is equal to 4.783 and bar, and is coming like this. So unit gram by centimeter cube. Now tell me here what is the significance 2. So we have to convert the total infinity length of the significant into 2. Therefore the density D is equal to 4.7 gram per centimeter cube. Therefore its significance how much? Its significance is equal to 2. Why we are converting into 4.7? The reason is here the denominator significance is 1 and its precision is 0.1. So that we have to take the answer also into 4.7 or its significance is 2. I hope you understood this video how to convert the final result into the significance. Now thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.